Original Teaching, Experience Brings Transformation. Part 1 of 6. Before Genesis, Atlantis destroyed by Lord God. We can see from reading Genesis chapter 1 that before man and woman were made, the Elohim inhabited the earth, where Elohim means servants of the god El. Then we see in a vision shown to Jeremiah by Lord God, the whole land shall be desolate, every city shall be forsaken, and not a man dwelling therein. Yet I will not make a full end. Then Jeremiah tells us, And then I beheld the earth, and lo, it was without form and void, and the heavens had no light. I beheld the mountains, and lo, they trembled, and all the hills moved lightly. I beheld, and lo, there was no man, and all the birds of heaven were fled. I beheld, and lo, the fruitful place Atlantis was a wilderness, and all the cities thereof were broken down at the presence of Lord God by his fierce anger. Then comes the Elohim in Genesis 1, when the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Elohim restored the earth and heavens again. And man and woman were to replenish the earth, where the word replenish means again. Genesis 1:31. And the Elohim saw everything they had made, and behold, it was very good. On the seventh day the Elohim rested from their work.